In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate the Facebook Marketplace using Google for your searches. This guide will help you find, navigate, and save items effectively in just a few simple steps. Let's begin by opening your preferred web browser and heading over to Google. In the search bar, enter the words Facebook Marketplace. This search will lead you to a list of links, and you want to click on the one that pertains specifically to the Facebook Marketplace. Alternatively, you can simply type facebook.com into your search bar and navigate to the Marketplace tab if you are already logged into your Facebook account. Once you're on Facebook's homepage, take a glance at the top menu. You're looking for the little shop icon labeled Marketplace. Go ahead and click on that. This takes you directly into the Marketplace, which is a popular platform for buying and selling within your community or even beyond. It's much like going to the mall, but from the comfort of your own home. Here, you have access to a myriad of categories and items. Now let's get into finding an item. The marketplace offers a wide range of products from electronics to home goods. Once you've clicked on the marketplace icon, take a moment to browse the category menus or use the search bar to enter specific items you're interested in. Suppose you're looking for a piece of furniture. Input sofa or chair in the search bar and hit enter. This will display a variety of listings that match your criteria. After you've selected an item that piques your interest, click on it. This will open up the item listing where you can view more details such as images, description, pricing, and the seller's information. Here, you get the full picture before making any purchasing decisions. It's always wise to review the item thoroughly and perhaps even message the seller if you have further questions or need more images. Once you find something you like and you're still contemplating the purchase, there's a handy feature that allows you to save the item for later. On the item listing page, simply look for the pin or save icon, usually located near the top of the page. Click on it, and this saves the item to your saved items list, making it easy to locate later when you want to revisit your options or make that final decision. Congratulations! You've just navigated the Facebook Marketplace via Google, saved an item, and now have a strong foundation for browsing more efficiently. Remember, the more you explore, the more effective you become at honing in on what you want while saving time. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has enhanced your marketplace journey.